Imagine this. A sleek twin-engine beast slices through the stormy skies over the rugged mountains of Afghanistan, dodging enemy fire while evacuating wounded soldiers in the dead of night. But here's the shocker. This same helicopter, hailed as Europe's ultimate war machine, has been grounded in multiple countries due to catastrophic failures that cost lives and billions. What if I told you the NH90 TTH, designed to revolutionize modern warfare, became both a lifesaver and a nightmare? How did a project born from NATO's bold vision turn into one of the most controversial aircraft in military history? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into its gripping timeline, the battles it dominated, its unbeatable strengths, hidden flaws, and how it's still flying today. We'll uncover the secrets that keep pilots on edge and commanders rethinking their strategies. If you're into military tech that packs a punch, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our breakdowns of the world's deadliest machines. Welcome back to SkyPulse Aviation, where we explore the raw power and real stories behind military aviation. Today, we're zeroing in on the NH90 TTH, the tactical transport helicopter variant of the NH Industries NH90. This isn't just any chopper, it's a multi-role marvel that's been at the heart of NATO's operations for nearly 2 decades. But to truly appreciate its saga, let's rewind the clock and follow its journey from concept to combat. Our story begins in the late 1980s, amid the fading echoes of the Cold War. NATO nations were facing a fragmented fleet of aging helicopters. Think the French Puma, the British Lynx, and Germany's Bell UH-1s, all outdated, incompatible, and costly to maintain. Picture this. European allies scrambling to standardize their forces as the Soviet threat loomed. In 1985, France, Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands banded together under the NATO Helicopter Management Agency, NAHIMA, to dream up a next-gen battlefield helicopter. The goal: a versatile machine capable of tactical transport, anti-submarine warfare, and more, all while slashing logistics costs through shared parts and tech. By 1990, the project crystallized. NH Industries was born, a consortium of Airbus helicopters, then Eurocopter, Leonardo, formerly Augusta Westland, and Fokker Aerostructures. They poured over €1 billion into development. The first prototype took to the skies on December 18, 1995, in Marignane, France. It was a triumph of engineering, fly-by-wire controls, composite materials for lighter weight, and powerful engines that promised unmatched agility. But delays hit hard. Certification dragged on due to complex multinational approvals and tech glitches. Portugal joined in 2001, and production contracts were signed in 2000 for over 300 units. Finally, in 2006, Italy became the first to induct the NH90 into service, followed by Germany in 2007. By 2010, variants like the TTH were rolling out, tailored for troop transport with room for 20 soldiers or 2.5 tons of cargo. Why build it? Simple, unity, and efficiency. NATO wanted a one-size-fits-most helicopter to replace multiple legacy models, fostering interoperability among allies. In an era of coalition warfare, this meant seamless joint ops, no more mismatched gear slowing down missions. The TTH version specifically focused on tactical transport. ferrying troops, medevac, search and rescue, and even armed escort with door guns and rockets. Now, let's talk action. The NH90 didn't wait long to prove itself in the fire. Its baptism came in Afghanistan during the International Security Assistance Force operations from 2007 onward. Dutch NH90s flew over 7,000 hours, evacuating casualties under Taliban fire in the treacherous Helmand province. Imagine hovering at 10,000 feet, rotors whipping dust storms, while medics load stretchers amid gunfire. That's the TTH in action. Germany deployed theirs in 2013 for Operation Resolute support, providing air mobility in northern Afghanistan's mountains. Italian forces used them for convoy protection and reconnaissance, logging thousands of sorties. Australia, too, sent NH90 Taipans, their NH90 variant, in 2010. But tragedy struck. In 2023, a crash during exercises killed 4 crew, highlighting risks in high-stakes operations. Beyond Afghanistan, the NH90 shone in Africa's Sahel region. France's TTH variant spearheaded Operation Barkhane in Mali from 2013, combating jihadists in the desert. These choppers airlifted special forces into remote outposts, braving sandstorms that choked lesser machines. In 2011, during NATO's intervention in Libya, Italian and French NH90s supported airstrikes and SAR missions over the Mediterranean. Off Somalia's coast, the naval NFH version tackled piracy in Operation Atalanta, using sonar to hunt submarines and pirates alike. In Iraq, against ISIS from 2014, German NH90s aided Peshmerga training and logistics in Erbil. Even in non-combat zones, they've been heroes. During the 2021 European floods, Belgian and German units rescued hundreds from rooftops. And in Ukraine's shadow, they're bolstering NATO's eastern flank today. What makes the NH90 TTH a beast? Let's break down its strengths. First, versatility. It can switch from troop carrier to gunship with modular kits. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Turbo Mecha RTM 322 engines, or GE T700 in some models, it hits speeds of 186 miles per hour and ranges over 500 miles. Fly-by-wire tech means smoother handling, even in turbulence, and its composite fuselage shrugs off small arms fire. Night vision compatibility and advanced avionics let it operate in zero visibility. In combat, it packs Hellfire missiles, 7.62mm machine guns, and can sling-load artillery. Operators praise its low-noise signature for stealthy insertions, perfect for special ops. Plus, as a NATO standard, it shares 80% commonality across variants, cutting training and parts costs. But no machine is perfect, and the NH90's weaknesses have sparked fierce debate. Early on, production delays ballooned costs to over 30 million euros per unit. Technical woes plagued it. Corrosion in salty environments crippled naval versions, while cabin doors jammed in cold weather. In sandy theaters like Mali, engines ingested dust, slashing reliability. Availability rates dipped below 50% in some fleets. Australia's experience was a disaster. Chronic maintenance issues, including tail rotor failures, led to grounding the entire fleet in 2021 and full retirement by 2024, replaced by Black Hawks. Norway canceled its contract in 2022 after similar gripes, citing unacceptable downtime. Critics call it over-engineered, too complex for field repairs, with software bugs causing crashes. Low ground clearance makes rough landings risky, and some variants struggled with weight limits, reducing payload in hot climates. Over a dozen accidents worldwide, including fatal ones in Greece and Australia, underscore design flaws in redundancy systems. Today, despite the bumps, the NH90 TTH remains a frontline player. Over 470 units serve in 14 countries, from Sweden's Arctic patrols to Qatar's desert ops. Upgrades like Block 1 enhancements boost software and sensors, aiming for 80% availability. France plans to fly theirs until 2040, integrating them with Tiger attack helos. In humanitarian roles, New Zealand's NH90s aid Pacific disaster relief, while Spain uses them for border security. With global tensions rising, expect more deployments, perhaps in Indo-Pacific hotspots or African counterterrorism. There you have it, the NH90 TTH, a symbol of European ingenuity, forged in alliance, tested in battle, and evolving through adversity. It's a reminder that even the mightiest machines have their Achilles heels. What do you think? Is the NH90 a triumph or a troubled titan? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive fired you up, smash that like button, share with your fellow aviation buffs, and subscribe for more epic military breakdowns. We'll catch you in the next one. Stay airborne.